The price of the gold has risen again, and we can see that yesterday candle has formed a bullish candle with a bullish body with a smaller width on the upper and the lower side. The candle is a small one because there is now too much movements on the market. And what we can see, currently the 2550.00 as support level was not retested after the price formed this bullish breakout in the previous week, where the prices continue to rise in value and it is gaining again new all-time high price level. What we can expect? We can expect the 2654.09 is the next resistance level where on the daily basis where its price is heading. But we have on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame small levels in between this resistance and the support that first needs to be broken in order for the price to continue to rise in value. Now, will that happen? As it looks right now, something is happening on the market because the price is not making strong candles. But what we can see based on the future, usually this is the, just a minute, 1423, the number of points the price has changed. And if we take a look in the previous days, most of the time the price is making higher price levels range than compared to the yesterday. So as it looks right now, I'm waiting for the price to make a breakout outside of this small area which is currently heading up. But will the price hold? It depends what will happen on the small levels like a 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. But for now, as it looks, I'm much more looking to see the price moving higher because currently the trend is always bullish, like we can see here, except in this area where the price was moving in the range. But this breakout has confirmed that the bulls are much stronger than the sellers, so I'm expecting the price to see much on the higher price levels. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.